This is the 1/4 inch right angle mono male solder connector, flat pancake metal. 1/4 inch connectors are typically used for analog signals, primarily audio. These connectors are commonly used for headphones, amplifiers, instruments, speakers, and much more. Their low-profile design make them a great choice for pro audio applications such as a patch cable, interconnect cables, or for your pedal board. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.